everyone, Issa Collects here, and today I'll be showing you the National Geographic Rocks, Gems and Minerals number 36 to 39. So without further ado, let's get started. So, this is very exciting because we have a fossil that seems to teleport it in here. It is wood opal. So wood opal is a fossil because it's just basically quartz, fossilized wood, and it's fossilized in quartz, as I mentioned, which is silica oxide, if you just wanted to know. And also that what I really like about it is that it still has the grooves of bark, which you see on the existing trees today. So opal, as the name says, wood opal. So opal is quartz with actually some, what is it called again? Oh yeah, water, H2O, water, so that to make all the cool illusions. So it's called, so it says no meaning to technically call it opal because the chemical formula of opal is the exact same as quartz. So it comes in many colours, like blue, brown, violet for some reason, yellow, and black, grey-ish. And the grey and brown are not the ones that are people like, man, I don't want to use you in jewelry. By the way, this is a gem for some reason. And let's just turn the page. In the world, for example, take the US. There are forests of fossilized wood, of wood opal. It's amazing how old these trees that have just been basically pushed into rock. And it's just amazing how they've survived for over like millions and millions of years. Everyone admits that's amazing. People that are still confused about this, don't worry, I'll give you a simpler name. It's petrified wood. So not many people will know it as wood opal, but know it as petrified wood. So now I'm telling you, if wood opal is petrified wood, so they're not two different things. So this sample comes from Madagascar, which is one of the largest deposits of this mineral. The hardness of this mineral is 6.5 to 7, which is basically the hardness of a quartz. So the next one is lapis lazuli. And by the way, I'm sorry, I just couldn't pronounce it. I used to say lapis lazuli, but it's lapis lazuli. So when I was doing my research on this, I've noticed the gold specks are actually iron pyrite, which is very strange. Top tip for buying lapis lazuli: never buy lapis lazuli that does not have any pyrite illusions in, because it could be fake. And speaking about, let's talk about the fake thing. So it's a very hard mineral to, let me just put this down, intimidate. But there has been the most successful one was the Swiss lapis, which is dyed jasper. But again, as I mentioned, you should never buy lapis lazuli that does not have any pyrite in, because it lacks of it. So let's have a look at its origin. So it's from the Arabic word lazuad, meaning blue stone, which of course is blue. It's unusually hard to cut because the way it's just unpredictable how you can cut it, and how it will react, but it's very easily polished. So if you get the cutting out the way, polished, boom. So also that strange thing is used to make paint. Paint. I know. You hear the word paint, but it's like, let's take azurite, and that's another mineral using paint. Wait, and lapis lazuli, and that is kind of a bright, a dark, but not as dark as azurite. It's used to make ultramarine blue, which I think, looking at the stone, how it looks, it's amazing. So let's just see if and fun fact, did you know that in ancient Egypt, it's said that Cleopatra used it for eyeshadow, which is very, very strange. But I've heard also that they use copper sulfate as eyeshadow as well, which is basically this a blue powder. So its hardness is 5.5, which is unusual because usually that hardness wouldn't be as used in manufacturing jewelry. But I'm very surprised. So let's see about its origin. So it's originated from Afghanistan, where it's been mined for like 5,000 years, and it's in a mountain, especially in a mountain. I forgot its name, but I know it's in a mountain in Afghanistan. I think this stone is very extraordinary. And by the way, I have a polished one, but I'm not bothered to get on and just get it up. So now the two ones, I've just been so lazy and decided to just get this. Just read it. So we're gonna start on black onyx. So the word onyx comes from the Greek term onychus, means fingernail. Onyx is a variety of chalcony, which is like a microcrystalline quartz with a particular structural features. One of the most important is the arrangement of the mineral layers within the stones. Those are arranged in parallel with the colours alternating in the uniform stripes. So, because it's made out of quartz, microcrystalline onyx has been worked relatively easily. It is polished and into either caprichos or camos, both to bring out its beauty of light and dark bands. Despite this beauty, onyx is relatively cheap to buy, fairly common compared to most other gems. It's often used as an accessory to enhance the yellow, red or green hues of those rare gems. And by the way, it apparently looks the same, can be confused by an agate, which I'm very baffled with. So its hardness is 6.5 to 7 as its quartz. One more to go. Don't worry, I'm so glad that you survived more than 9 minute video. So lepidolite is the name lepidolite comes from the two Greek words lepos, meaning scale, in reference to the many tiny plates making up this mineral, and lithos meaning stone. The IMA, the International Mineralogical Association, has recently determined that lepidolite is actually a symptominous with a triathlon, which which is its official name. The mineral occurs in many forms. For example, it could be found in granular masses consisting of 4 fine clays, like in this one. And these just basically cripple in your hand. So it can be there is very surprising samples of this. Lepidite is often rich with lithium and tends to be associated with other minerals which contain this metal. Those associations are often rather handsome. Those examples where lepidite are blended with tourmaline, which can fetch very high prices. So it just crumbles in your hand. It's like paper, the way it is, and they are huge. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe, and do all the other stuff, and see you in the next video. Bye!